Hey there, in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you 5 reasons why you might want to consider cross-listing, and specifically cross-listing with a tool like Vendoo. Hey, I'm Lee Meyer, and I'm the founder of Listing of Freedom and the Empowered Reseller. And I help clothing resellers make more money without hustling harder. Let's get started. I want to give you 5 reasons why Vendoo can be worth your investment. Number 1 is it gets more eyes on your items. So when you're able to go out and cross-list your items to multiple platforms, you're gonna have different shoppers on each of those platforms. Now there may be a little bit of overlap, but a lot of shoppers only shop one particular platform. They're not gonna shop 10 platforms at once. They're not going to be checking prices on 10 different platforms. A lot of people just go to Poshmark or Mercari or eBay or Depop, wherever they like to purchase, and they will go to that one platform and make their purchase. So by getting your item out to multiple platforms, we'll get more eyes on your item. Secondly, that can bring in a higher average sale price. So more eyes on your item means that your items are more likely to sell at the price that you're asking, assuming you're not way overpricing your items. And you'll have less need to put your items on sale or to send out drastically reduced offers. The third reason why Vendoo may be worth your investment is that you can get quicker flips, i.e. your items will sell faster. So when you get them listed to multiple platforms, you're gonna have more opportunity to make sales, and you will see your items turn over quickly. And this puts more money back in your pocket so you can go back out and invest more money into inventory and seeing more profits in your business sooner. It's the same repeating cycle of source, sell, repeat, source, sell, repeat, but it's just going at a faster rate when you are listing your items to multiple platforms. The fourth reason why Vendoo may be worth your investment is the time saved in managing your inventory. Vendoo gives you one place to be able to manage your inventory from. You can easily see all of your data and see where your sales are coming from, how much money you made on each sale. It's one place to manage all of your inventory. And the fifth and final reason why Vendoo may be worth your investment is because of their newest feature that I am absolutely loving. And this is an auto sales detecting feature. Yes, this will automatically detect when your items sell, and it will automatically delist those items on the other platforms that they're cross-listed to. So you will have no more double selling of the same item, no more having to go in and cancel orders and say, oh wait, it actually sold on another platform at the same time. That happens more often than you think. And with this new feature, it has been very, very game-changing for me and has saved me so much time of not having to go in and say that the item has sold. It will automatically do that for you as soon as that item sells. So thank you so much for watching. You can grab a free Vendoo trial as well as get 25% off your first month with my affiliate link below. And I hope this helps you make the decision of if Vendoo is right for you. Or see you soon.